I need like one more arm. I need one more arm. It's probably... Wait, let's see. When it tries to carry to the 7th bit, we reset to the 4th bit. When it tries to carry to the 7th bit, we reset to the 4th bit. Which means that probably the 7th bit is hitting the load signal. That's the only explanation. The 7th bit is hitting... No, it would be hitting... But what would cause it to load the 8? Interesting. Be interesting behavior, buddy. Wait, I have an idea. I have one idea. It might be because... Okay, let's just put this in power. Still baby thing. And let's just put this onto ground. Oh, I fixed it. You know what it is? It has to do... Okay, I fixed it. It's because this is the problem I was having yesterday. Okay, you see these 3 buttons, right? There's 3 little buttons right here. Right? And 2 of them is to load this counter. No, one of them loads the counter, one of them resets the counter. And on these buttons, you need pull down resistors, right? Because, yo,